In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your shipping address on Taobao. Start on your computer for the smoothest experience. Open your browser and go to taobao.com or world.taobao.com. Then sign in to your account. If the interface appears in Chinese, you can use your browser's translate feature to make the labels clearer, but the layout is the same either way. Make sure you're logged into the account you use for shopping so the address attaches to the right profile. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner and hover over your profile icon. A small menu will drop down. Click My Taobao. This takes you to your personal dashboard where you manage orders, settings, and addresses. On the left-hand menu, click Account Settings. That opens your account information page. Here you'll find options related to security, personal info, and most importantly, where your packages should be delivered. Next, look for the section labeled Shipping Address or Manage Addresses and click it. You'll see your current address list, which might be empty if you haven't added one yet. Click Add New Address to open the address form. Fill out each field carefully to avoid delivery delays. For full name, enter the receiver's complete name as you'd want it printed on a package. For phone number, type the number with the correct country code. For example, if you're in the Philippines, enter 63, followed by the mobile number with no spaces or dashes. In country or region, select your country. If you use a freight forwarder based in China, choose China mainland so the address fields match their location. For province, city, and district, use the drop-down selectors to choose each level in order. This ensures Taobao formats the address correctly. In detailed address, type the full street address including house number, street, barangay, city, and zip code. Keep it clear and in English if you're outside China to help couriers interpret it correctly. Finally, enter your postal code or zip code to match your city. If this is your primary delivery location, check Set as Default. That way, Taobao will automatically select it at checkout, saving you time and preventing mistakes. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your new address will appear in the list. Take a moment to review the display format and edit if something looks off. You can always return here later to add more addresses, set a different default, or delete old ones. And that's it. You've successfully added your shipping address on Taobao using your PC. Now you're ready to check out with confidence, knowing your orders will be sent to the right place.